Hey guys, my name is Crystal and welcome to my channel, Crystal Flow. Anyway, today I am coming to you with an unboxing. I have July's Boxy Charm. Hello, and this is a subscription, a monthly subscription for $25, and I do receive it in the mail. So let's get into the unboxing. All right, one moment here. All right, so I do not have anything to open it with, so let's. So the box is sealed. So this is my first. I am just opening the box. Um, and again, I love their boxes. And it comes sealed pretty well. So, all right. So now that we have the box open, look like I have possibly 5 products in this box. Within the box, first you will see in here it says Boxy Charm to give you their handle, their Instagram page, and their hashtag. All right, and here is the description list here. On the back of it, it gives you the item and the price of it, the original price for the item. So let's start. So for the first one is Grace and Stella is like an energy drink for your eyes. So it's an eye mask. Let's see. The original price for this eye mask is $21. All right, and as I mentioned, my subscription is like $25 a month. So I like different products like this because it's typically not something I would go and purchase myself at the store. Which hence why I got the subscription. Excuse me, my camera. And it's a little bit cheaper. So let's see what we have here. Oh, it's multiple packets. And it helps with wrinkles. Oh, the little gold packets that go under your eyes. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed that. All right, so let's move on to the next item in here, and it is the 111 skin. Let's see, the 111 skin is $135. It's a daytime booster, and it helps with your skin as far as like, I guess, it has antioxidants in it. Helps with aging. It's like a serum. If you can see that. Okay. I like that. It fortifies your skin against harmful aggressors and aggressors of the digital age. So I guess it is like it helps with your skin aging, your face. All right. So then our next item is Hourglass. This is what it's called. All right. And Hourglass is $25. It is a arch eyebrow micro sculpting pencil. So let's see. Helps with the eyebrow. Okay, it's a liner. It's an eyebrow liner. And, you know, it helps when you want to fill in those eyebrows. Either you get them done or doing them yourself. And here's the brush on the end if you like to shape it. Brush it up a little bit and swoop. There you go. All right. So then the next one is a palette. Ooh, is by Pure Cosmetic. It is their Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Ooh, look on the back. It tell you the colors. I definitely love to try this. So let's see. Let's get into this. If you can get into it, it's not kinda, it is tight. So I end up breaking it. Okay. So we'll go through the ends. How about that? We're gonna get in here. Get in here. Let me in. Ooh, let me in. I wanna get in it. I wanna get in it. Okay. So this is what the palette looks like. Looks like the box. It smells good. Wait a minute. I like that. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. No, maybe I should do it a little bit better here. So let's try this one. Yeah, maybe I'm not putting on enough. Oops. Kind of messed that up a little bit. There you go. It focused a little bit, but that's not bad. I messed up the palette just a little bit, but yeah, I think I would like this. Definitely seems like you may have to put on quite a bit in order for it to really show. Let's see the burgundy. We'll have to play around with that one. All right. So last but not least, it is our Dulce Fierce and Fine graphic pen. So, oh, I love this. Look, baby. Oh, what? Listen, I'm in love. This pen is $21, and I think it is so worth it because you can line your eye, and it gives it that look. Yeah, I'm in love. Like, it just took a little bit. I mean, because it shows so good. And let's see if it's going to come off. Nope, not that easy. All right, guys. So these are the items that came in my July Boxy Charm box. And hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. I do have a new channel. Also, you can check me out on my ASMR channel. It's Ice. It's just Crystal _